were just building this project. And so yesterday night when I was just thinking what can I give it as probably the pointers for our discussions. Each one of you are going to know about something. So this is something that I have. I'm just giving you some present status of some facts about concerning sustainability. Figures could vary and your opinions can vary, but let's understand these are generic facts. To cater to housing requirements by 2030, our present housing, whatever we have, will be only 30% of the requirement. That means 70% of more housing below is going to be built in next 20 years, less than 20 years. Roshni is going to pick up the points and so which means our built environment is going to add tremendous load and exert huge carbon pressure on the environment. How we are going to tackle this? Cities are going to be collapsed with this rate and requirement. And if we want to create additional build space, how we are going to address this issue from sustainability? So we need measurable building resource efficiency for cities, because it's not only the way we are going today. There is no measure for building resources. How we are going to, what kind of building material, what kind of energy efficiency of building materials we should be talking about. Otherwise, cities will not remain living. If you see today, kind of rating system that we have, it is a eco-housing or and so on. We have been able to certify only less than, it's estimate, looking at some cities figures, less than 3% of our buildings are certified. Only 3%, 97% buildings, since the voluntary rating system, 97% buildings remain uncertified. That means, I'm not saying they are not environment-friendly buildings. Some of them, I know, they are doing excellent work, but they are not proper certification. But still, 3% is very low figure. How to convince developers to come for certification and get certified? So that, and certification, to be very frank, is not for sake of certification. Our objective of certification has to be trying to see how best we can do that. We do in eco-housing, whenever developer comes to us, what we did was, many of our buildings will find they are either 4-star or 3-star. Why? That doesn't mean they are in the numbers, they are of that, they have designed it. But we handhold them, talk to the architects, talk to the entire team, we tell them this is not for getting clearance faster from an OEF or steady AC. This is not for you will get some price advantage because people are wanting to live in a environment-friendly buildings, but this is because we want to reduce ultimately carbon footprint, because this is what nature demands, our environment demands, and our own livelihood depends on what kind of so how do we scale up from 3% to at least 25%? It's a huge jump. At least can we plan for at least 25% of buildings? I'm not saying 50%, it's too optimistic. At least 25% of buildings will be certified. It's a huge scope. No, look at that comment here. We can make a comment. 0.8%. Go ahead. 0.8%. 0.8% calculate all buildings that are happening and have happened in the last 10 years. insignificantly low. How do we scale up this? And all certifying agencies have to really take it very aggressively, convince people without any tax. How do we certify buildings? How do we certify buildings? Because our ultimate is reducing carbon footprint. Just mentioned to you yesterday, one experiment that we did with the house in Pune city, we have been able to reduce carbon footprint by about 90,000 tons per year. But still, certification number of buildings required are quite low. In spite of that, so much of carbon footprint we can reduce. Forget the other benefits of reducing pressure on water, pressure on biodiversity, pressure on waste, and so on. Energy. Power and water crisis is going to be crucial for buildings with. So we need buildings with power and water efficiency. The Center for Science and Environment had conducted a study, and they indicated that in cities, buildings are responsible for 40% energy use. Total cities use built environment consume 40%. We can debate on that, but we know that major consumption is by buildings. There is very clearly study that. Do we need glass buildings? We are not in Europe, where glass building probably heat trapping is necessary. Here, do we need glass buildings? So 40% energy is used in production. 30% of raw material is used for overall building cities goes into building. Apart from roads, sewage, and other things, but 30% goes into built environment. 20% water goes for again construction. 20% land use of cities used for. So buildings in the cities contribute roughly about 40% of carbon emissions. 30% solid waste is generated from buildings, and of course 20% water is wasted in terms of effluents. So resource saving for cities is an area that we need sincerely ponder upon. So we need efficient lighting, good ventilation, efficient air conditioning. I'm very happy there are some experiments from Bangalore, and we have been using those air conditioners. Instead of say 5-star rated air conditioner, you can use 1850 watts of power. The same capacity air conditioner can use 335 watts, roughly about 335. Very happy to know huge amount of power saved. So again, in refrigeration, we need to focus again on design, good environmental friendly design, to reduce all kinds of loads. And there is a clear possibility that proper design, about ranging of 30 to 70% depending on what kind of building will be, energy efficiency can be comfortably achieved. Bureau of Energy Efficiency states that existing buildings have potential to save up to 30 to 50%. By efficient water use, almost 30% water can be saved, and our figures are better. We have been able to save. So there is a need for performance monitoring, and we are very saying the principle. Once a building is certified, it has to be completely monitored by independent agencies and see whatever was being whether, because once the developer is building and hands over to society for building, whether they are due, what we do is we actually have a lot of series of interactions with consumers, people who have bought the house. We tell them this is the building that they are living in, this is what it is, so that they know do's and don'ts, so that they, whatever, we try to find, we have tried to present the best possible building. But once it's given to people, are they maintained? So that's the big issue. So, and performance monitoring mechanisms. We know there are a lot of loopholes in the way the present EIA for construction is carried out. I can put n number of cases and everybody is aware. It's easy to break up your building complex. If you're buying building 10 buildings, show one building with less than 20,000 square meter of area and get out of EIA criteria. EIA is not required. And have another building as complex B, different project, third building is third project. And even though you have a huge complex, many people have not taken the EIAs because it's easy to escape by treating this as a separate project. So that's how do we communicate? From a policy making side, there are loopholes, and that needs to be addressed. Then there's no and post-construction monitoring. Can we make public consultation? As of today, it's not there. Like other development projects, where public consultation is mandatory. We build a dam, have a power plant, construct a highway. Public consultation is mandatory for environmental clearance, without which you don't get clearance. Whether it is for state EAC or it is for national MOF. But in construction environment, buildings, you don't require public consultation. Should be proposed to go for public consultation and let people around know what kind of complex is coming up, what kind of problems they are going to face till the building is complete. They should be prepared, and they should tell them what kind of building we will whether we can I don't think at the moment when a major project comes up, we make an assessment of public the traffic conditions. What will happen to traffic conditions due to building that we build? Because I haven't seen any impact assessment study which shows that now municipal corporations comfortably allow you to go for multi-stage parking within building. You can have parking which is probably not out of FSI. It's not in FSI. So 1, 2, 3 level parking. And additional FSI probably is good. Then all these cars are going to come on the road. So whether traffic density assessment, what is the impact on traffic conditions, whether that could be, which is not part of the present EIA. And of course, I just mentioned customer and consumer awareness. We need to have some kind of policy wherein every resident who is going to occupy our buildings must be aware of all of the we have seen that now you get incentives for doing vermicomposting, incentives for rainwater harvesting, incentives for solar water heaters, incentives for LED lighting, energy efficient lighting, and so on. But once it is done, there has to be first awareness, so that people have to maintain, and there has to be looking. Luckily, at least in Pune, we have seen that they have constituted, corporation has started a constituted committee. Periodically, wherever incentives are given, they go and make an assessment, and they then will decide whether to continue with incentives or not. So there's some feedback. So these are some points that I thought probably we should include in the discussion apart from others. With this, let's be.